In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is your mathematics teacher, Mr. Wasim Shahid. And in this video, we are going to learn about subtraction of meter and centimeter. Dear students, this is video number 40 and lesson number 7 of final term. This topic is given in your book page 149. Let us start from this page. Dear students, in this page, we are going to learn about subtraction of meters and centimeters. Let us start from question 1. The statement of 1 is complete these. Part A is 22 meter and 15 centimeter minus 11 meter 25 centimeter. Dear students, remember that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. All of you know that meter and centimeter both are the units of length. We use meter and centimeter to measure the length of object and shapes. It is easy to subtract meters and centimeters when we remember that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So students, here we are going to subtract meter and centimeter at the same time. So in this column we have meter and in this column we have centimeter. So dear students, this is very important thing that whenever you want to subtract meter and centimeter at the same time, you have to subtract centimeter first. So first of all, we will subtract centimeters here. Here 15 centimeters are given above and 25 centimeters are given down. Dear students, it is very difficult for us. It is impossible to subtract 25 centimeters from 15 centimeters. Therefore, we must take 1 meter from these given meters. Here we have 22 meters. So whenever students we take 1 meter from the given meters, so we must replace 21 by 22 by 21 here. So for making these centimeters bigger, we have to take 1 meter from 22 meters. So when we take 1 meter, here we get, you can say 20. Here we left 21 meter. So all of you know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So here already we have 15 centimeter. When we add 100 with 15, we get 115. Means here when you take 1 meter, this is very important thing. 1 meter mean 100 centimeter. It means you are taking 100 centimeter from next, and already we have 15 centimeters. So when we add, we get 115 centimeters. After that, we will able to subtract 25 centimeter from 115. Dear students, look at here. In this time, we have 115 centimeter. So we subtract 25 from 115. So first of all, we start from right. In this column, we will subtract 5 from 5. We get 0. And after that, we will subtract 2 from 11. This is 1, 1, 11. 11 minus 2, we get 9. And here we will subtract 11 from 21. First of all, we subtract first digits. 1 minus 1, answer is 0. 2 minus 1, answer is 1. So the answer is 10 meter, 90 centimeters. Similarly, in this way, we will solve part B. In part B, 45 centimeters, 45 meters and 5 centimeters are given. And we have to subtract 18 meters, 36 centimeters from 45 meters and 5 centimeters. These are, remember that these are meters and these are centimeters. First of all, we subtract centimeters. So here the same problem is coming. Here, first of all, we focus on these numbers, these centimeters. Here we have 505 mean 5 centimeters. Here we have 36. So it is not possible for us to subtract 36 from 5. So therefore, first we will make these centimeters bigger than 36. So for this purpose, we have to take 1 meter from next. Here we have 45 meters. So when you take 1, you get 44. You get 44 meters here. So 1 meters mean you cannot add 1 with 5 because 1 mean we are taking 1 meter. You cannot add meter with centimeter. So you have to change 1 meter into centimeter first. You know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. So you have to add 100 with 5. Take 1, add 100 here. Take 1 from next and add 100 with the previous, with the given centimeters. Here given centimeters are 5. So 100 plus 5, we get, here you have to write centimeter and centimeter. 100 plus 5, 105 centimeter. CM. So students, here you have to put 1 in front of 0. So you will get 105. Or you can cut 0.5 in the above of 0.5, you can write 105. It's up to you. So you can use both ways. So I am putting 1 in front of this. In other words, simply you can say take 1 from here and put in front of these digits. But the concept is take 1 meter and add 100 with given centimeters. 100 plus, here given centimeters are 5 centimeters, 100 plus 5, 105. After that, subtract as you subtract the normal numbers. Here, first you take first digit. First digits are 5 here and down is 6. So you cannot subtract 6 from 5. Therefore, we take 1 from 10. Here you get 9. And here you get 15. 15 minus 6, 9. And after that, subtract 3 from 9. 9 minus 3, 6. Here, you cannot subtract 8 from 4. So you take 1 carry from next digit. When you take 1 carry, you get here 3. And here you get add, take 1 and add 10 with previous number. Previous number is 4. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 minus 8, that is 6. And 3 minus 1, that is 2. So in this way, you can subtract the remaining parts. Look at part C. Part C, 64 meter, 10 centimeters minus 28 meter, 40 centimeter. So here we have, first of all, we will subtract centimeters. Here we have 40 and here we have 10. So we have to make bigger number. So 40 is bigger and 10 is smaller, students. So you have to take 1 from next digit. Next digit is 4. You can say here we have 64 meters. In the below of meter, they are meters. 64. When you take 1, you get 63. You can replace only 4 by 3. You can write 63 whole, no problem. You can only write, take 1 and here you get 3. Mean you will get here 63, and after that put 1 in front of 10. Mean 100 plus 10, 110. Here you are taking 1 meter and adding here, because 1 meter, because we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 100 plus 10, 110. Now you can subtract 40 from 110. Now start from first digit. First digit is 0 minus 0. First digits are 0 minus 0, you get 0. After that 11 minus 4, that is 7. And after that subtract meters. In meter, first digits are 8 and 3. Upper number is 3. Therefore, first of all, you take 1, carry from next digit. Next digit is 5. Take 1 and replace 6 by 5. And after that add 10 with 3. 10 plus 3, 13. Now 13 minus 8, that is 5, and 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. Similarly here, 21 minus 90. 21 minus 90. First of all, you take 1 from here, and here you get 4, and here you get 121. Take 1 and put in front of the number. The number is 21. So now subtract 90 from 121. 1 minus 0, 1. And after that, you can subtract 9 from 12. 9. 12 minus 9, that is equal to 3. And then subtract 2 from 4. 4 minus 2, 2. And 1 minus 1, 0. At the end, you can write 0. No need to write 0. It's up to you. Dear students, next statement is write these in vertical form. Here is not, here is vertically is written. Actual word is vertical form. Then subtract. Students, these sums are same as you done above, but here only you can write these sums in vertical form first and then subtract. Here the sums are given in horizontal form. Look at the first one. The first one is 5 meter 30 centimeter minus 2 meter 90 centimeters. So first of all, we write meter one sides and centimeters another side. And after that, how many meters here? 5 minus 2. So in the below of, we write 5 minus 2. Or you can write in the below of 5 here and 30 centimeters here. After that, put minus these 2 meters here and 90 centimeters here. In other words, you can say put meters, these are meters, in the below of meters. And these are centimeters, 30 minus 90 in the below of centimeters. After that, you have to adopt the same method as I told you before. So here, first of all, we will subtract centimeters. Here we have 90 and here we have 30. So first we make these centimeters bigger. So for this purpose, we take 1 meter from 5 meters. So replace 5 by 4 and add 100 with 30. 100 plus 30, 130. Now we will subtract 90 from 130. 0 minus 0, 0. 13 minus 9, 4. And 4 minus 2, 2. Here, take 1 carry, and here you get 15. 4 minus 0, 4. 15 minus 6, 9. And again take carry from 3. Here you get 3. Here you get 12. 12 minus 8, 4, and 3 minus 2, 1. Students, the subtraction of 43 meter and 54 centimeter is just like 4, 3, 5, 4, 2, 8, 6, 0. This subtraction is same as this subtraction. There is nothing new in the subtraction of meter and centimeters. You can subtract and after that you get the same answer. But here you have to write the meters and centimeters separately. Here 16 meter, 15 centimeter minus 8 meter is 65. So take 1 meter. Here you get 115. Now 5 minus 5, 0. 11 minus 6, 5. Now here take 1 and you get 0. Here you get 15. 15 minus 8, 7. Similarly here, here take 1. You get here 18. 180 minus 92. Now again take 1 from 8, you get 7, and here you get 10. 10 minus 8, 2, and after that you get here 17. Here take 1 and you get 0 here. 17 minus 9, 8. I am going to explain this one again. Take 1. Here you get 17. 7. Here you get 0. 10. 0 plus 10. 10. 10 minus 2. 8. And take 1 from here. You get 0 here and here you get 17. 17 minus 9. 8. Here you have 0. So cut 3. Replace by 2. And here replace 0 by 10. 10 minus 8, 2, and 2 minus 1, 1. Dear students, in this way you can subtract meters and centimeters. And the statement of question 3 is, in question 3, there are 4 word problems are given. And I am just solving the statement of part A, and remaining parts B, C, and D. These word problems are your homework, so you have to solve the remaining parts in your copy. I am just going to solve part A. Look how we solve a word problem with complete statement. Mr. Hassan is 1 meter 76 centimeter tall. His son Sami is 97 centimeter tall. How much taller Mr. Hassan than Sami? So here the height of Mr. Hassan is given, and height of this is the height of his son. So we have to find how much Mr. Hassan is taller than Sami. So in solution, first of all, we write solution, and after that, first of all, we write height of Hassan. The height of Hassan is 1 meter 76 centimeter, and after that we will write the height of Mr. Sami, that is 90 centimeter. So we have to find how much taller is Mr. Hassan than Sami. So we have to subtract the height of Mr. Sami from Mr. Hassan. So Mr. Hassan taller than Sami, meaning how much Mr. Hassan is taller? Just subtract 1 meter 76 minus 97. Just subtract 97 from 1 meter and 76 meter. This minus this. So you know how to subtract meters and centimeters at the same time. So you have to write in vertical form first and then solve. First you write meter here and centimeters, and after that write here 1 meter and 76. And here the height of Hassan is only given in centimeters. So because of this, so here we will write 0 or nothing and write 97 in the below of centimeters. Now subtract. Here take 1, you get 6, and here replace 6 by 16. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 7, 9. Here take 1 meter from this and you got here 16. 16 minus 9, 7. So, and 0 minus 0, here 0. So 79. It means Mr. Hassan is 79 centimeter taller than Sami. So you have to write 79 centimeter here. Here take 1, you get 0 here, and 1 meter mean 100 centimeter and put 1. Add 76 with 100. 100 plus 76, 176. Subtract 97 from 176, you get 79 centimeter. And next in next video, inshallah, we will learn about how we multiply meter and centimeters. So, dear students, you have to solve the remaining word problems B, C, D by yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.